Don't spend more money buying panettone. Make it yourself with few ingredients and with a dough that melts in your mouth. Let's start by adding 3 eggs to the blender, 3 tablespoons of butter, 10 grams of dry organic yeast, 120 grams of sugar, 250 milliliters of warm water, a tablespoon of panettone essence. Let's cover it and let it liquefy. Add all this mixture into a bowl. Let's add 500 grams of wheat flour. We are going to mix very well. Beat this dough like this. Let's cover our dough with plastic wrap. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Our dough has already doubled in size. Now let's get rid of that plastic. Let's add 300 grams of chocolate chips. I have already mixed it very well. It will be like this. Now we are going to add all our dough into panettone molds. Add up to half of the mold. With this dough, you obtain 2 panettones. Also, I'm going to add more chocolate chips. Let it rest for 40 minutes. Our panettones have grown a lot. Now, up here I'm going to add half a tablespoon of butter. Let's put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Look how sensational!